On Monday, March 3rd, 2025, U.S. stock markets experienced significant declines following President Donald Trump's announcement to implement 25% tariffs on Canadian and Mexican imports, effective immediately. This decision heightened investor concerns about potential economic slowdowns and escalating trade tensions. Major indices: Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 649 points, 1.5% to close at 43,191.24. S&P 500 declined 1.8% to 5,849.72. Nasdaq Composite dropped 2.6% to 18,350.9. Sector performance: Technology. Notable losses included Nvidia 8.7% and Broadcom 6.0%. Energy. Companies like ConocoPhillips faced declines amid broader market sell-offs. Market drivers: the abrupt enforcement of tariffs on Canada and Mexico, aimed at addressing concerns over fentanyl trafficking, surprised investors who had anticipated potential delays or negotiations. This move raised fears of a trade war, with both nations planning retaliatory measures, potentially increasing consumer prices and affecting economic growth. Additional factors: a weaker than expected U.S. manufacturing report further dampened investor sentiment, signaling potential challenges in economic momentum. Overall, the day's market activity reflected heightened anxiety over international trade policies and their implications for the U.S. economy.